Hello, 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 hello. Test, 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 guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Dogecoin is going to $1. I woke up, it was like a 50 something cents. I thought this stock, I thought this coin would have some resistance, right around 50 cents maybe, but no. And it's barely Tuesday. Good morning, everybody. Oh, I don't even know where to go. Robinhood, Wheat Bull, or whatever. Doge. Guess who got glasses finally? I am blind from my right eye, guys. I'm losing my right eye vision, not my left eye, which just doesn't make sense at all. Litecoin's ripping. Doge is at 55. What's the high, guys? What? Robinhood usually sucked at this. What is the? All right, first of all, let's talk about the market, which is tanking right now. Oh, we're not tanking. I shouldn't FUD like that, right? But we're pulling back. We're red today. We're pulling back. So I guess it's selling may go away, right? It's kind of kicking in here just slightly, but we're pulling back here just a little bit. We see GameStop down, of course. We see Tesla down. AMC, we have the meeting today, which is kind of down too. Neo, probably going to be carried down by Tesla. Down today. Apple is down. A lot of the stocks are down today. 55 right? What did it hit though? What was like the high? Because I know it's usually wrong about here. Oh my God, I got listed on eToro. Wow. Just wink. I don't get it. Oh, these glasses give me a headache. My head is hurting. I wanted to go to 10. Just joking on simulation. Yeah, I agree, Ben. I agree. What's going on, Andrew? So what was the result of your appointment? My right eye, I'm losing vision. It's blurry. I'm not, my eye or whatever retina is not processing as much light as my left eye. Oh, Tesla, what a green candle. Wow. Impressive. That usually happens right around market open. We have a minute and 52 seconds. Yeah, Doge is on fire. Bitcoin was falling yesterday, last night. Yeah, Bitcoin's at 55.9. Let's see Litecoin, LTC, right? Is the ticker LTC? Yeah, it's up 26% the last week. Interesting. Oh, Pro, I forgot. Tom, you were the one with the bet, right? Pro, PRPO, right? PRPO. Oh yeah, I knew it. You were right. I would have lost the bet. It hit 7 after hours yesterday. It's above 6, yeah. I had a feeling that Amazon listing for the kits is very big news. We have 55 seconds. By the way, Bill Gates is done. He is out. Melinda Gates, they're done after what, 20 something years, 27 years. Jayla, I'm happy for you. Congrats. Hopefully it goes to $1 for you. Bitcoin is still falling. You got to get yourself some laser eyes off. Best investment I've ever made. Or is that like laser eye surgery? Our resident pirate needs an eye patch and maybe a parrot. MasterCard. No, I'm still waiting for this one to come down even more. I have alerts right around 373, so just be patient. Twitter, let's see how Twitter's doing. I know we have like 15 shares, which is nothing crazy. That's beautiful. Pretty beautiful. I mean, no, not really. I wanted this stock to really come down, but it looks like it might test 56 today. It might test 56. Let's say another just in case, so we have an idea of where the stock is going. The market just opened. Let's go to Tesla really quick. What is it doing? All right, we're gonna get a lot of alerts right now. All right, Tesla's down. Nasdaq is, where are we going? Nasdaq, lead the way, baby. GameStop 158. PRPO. Yeah, I got the alert now. It's above 6. I would have lost the bet. Let's see. AMC has the meeting today. May 4th, right? Yeah. Shooting up. Expected moves for, oh, these were yesterday's. Moderna, Peloton, AMC, Roku, Square, DraftKings, Kronos, Uber. Oh, Tesla is shooting up. All right, 681. We're testing that previous report from yesterday. SafeMoon has been audited. Oh no. Let me see. Let me Google this. Let's check Reddit as well. Oh yeah. 30K, 7 things you need to know about the firm leading SafeMoon crypto audit. All right, here. I guess we'll know. I guess we'll really know the truth about SafeMoon. It's gonna spook some people. I kind of feel bad. My boy has some 100 million of SafeMoon. I don't think he knows about this yet. Can this be the nail in the coffin for SafeMoon? This is, from what I know, audits aren't necessarily the best things. You're already on the radar, man. I'm digging into the report now. I appreciate that. If you could do me, if you could share the insight on here with us, I'd greatly appreciate that. Let's go over to Twitter really quick. I haven't checked Twitter to see what's trending, but I'm pretty sure the number one thing on there is probably going to be Dogecoin, maybe some Bitcoin, Ethereum. Tesla is literally ripping through the gates right now. I don't know why. Dogecoin co-creator sold all his coins just enough to afford a used Honda Civic in 2015. Now Doge is bigger than Honda. You just love headlines like that. He must feel like a badass. I like that. In 2015, 6 years later, Doge Day. Let's see. It's trending. Number one, Dogecoin. Yes, HODL is trending. Number one thing is Dogecoin. Let's pull this up for you guys. Number one thing under business finance is Dogecoin. Oakland A's. What is this? Baseball? Join us at the ballpark. 2 seats, pods, and the Plaza Infield are available for 100 Dogecoin from the series. Oh, you gotta love it. See, stuff like this, headlines like that, just add momentum. Doge is at 55 cents. HODL is trending. Hashtag HODL in what, California or United States? Community, please do not sell your Dogecoin when it hits $1. Oh my God, futures just sold off. That is not good. That is not good. That's an ugly red candle. That is not good. Ether. Dove? Is this a coin? Dove is trending. Bad Batch. Oh, you guys see this yesterday? A train in Mexico just like something collapsed. A rail. One of those rail trains. 31 killed. Wow. That was some crazy, crazy video. You just never know, you know? Like the people driving under with the cars, they got squashed. That's not. You just never know when your time is, you know? That's crazy. Rest in peace. That's an ugly red candle on Nasdaq. I'm not gonna lie. SPX. We're selling off on the S&P. All right, let's take a look at NDX. AMC, what are you doing? Doge is at 56. 56. Oh shoot, we're going to $1. Oh my God, I need to text my boy. I think he's holding quite a bit. I think he bought on the dip. Oh my God, this is nuts. This is nuts. Got a MasterCard right now. I'm still waiting just slightly a bit more for MasterCard. My general rule is sell in the first 5 minutes if I'm swinging and don't buy until the first 30 alone. Yeah, that's a perfect strategy. Usually when you swing, you're kind of like, oh shit, is it gonna go higher? Is it gonna go lower? Should I sell? Just stick to your guns. And then for your second part, 30 minutes, it's usually 30 minutes in which we know where the direction is headed. But as of now, I kind of know where we're going. You know, we're red. We're down 1% on Nasdaq futures. Tesla's down 1% too. So I'm just being patient. Like I said, like I keep repeating myself, patient. I'm being patient. I'm being patient. I'm not buying. I'm not buying. I'm not buying. Let's see. ARK Invest just tweeted. Issue. Oh, their podcast number 268 is live in this week's newsletter. VC Investments hit a record in Q1. I also think I read that like this is like the most time the biggest time in history. I think on Bloomberg I read that people are trading stocks like this April I think or last month were like crazy record breaking numbers. And it makes you kind of scared, you know. I got these highs. Tesla Q1 results suggest a market share gains this year in disclosure at the end of the radar. Gene therapy safety, ETH all-time highs, and more. Read it here. So I'll probably read that later, before Power Hour. Take some notes on that. Include the biggest things in the video for Wednesday. Let's see. Amazon is down 9% from its below earnings. See, that's tweets like that scare me. Like Amazon just had record breaking numbers and the stock just sold off. Look at this. Immediately sold off. Ethereum is above 3,500? No way. There's no way. There's no way. Let's see. Let's pull it up on Robinhood really quick. Visa's falling. Holy moly. Is this an all-time? Yeah, right. 35.08, I think is. Oh my God, Dogecoin just hit 60 cents. Dogecoin just hit 60 cents. I can't believe it. This is literally all the FOMO coming in at these highs right here at 60. That's insane. This is exactly what happened last time when it hit 48. It might hit even like 63 right now. Look at that. That is nuts. I mean, the market is red. I think people are just saying, you know, screw it. The market's boring. There's nothing really to buy right now. Nothing to trade apart from discounts. Let's go to crypto. Oh my gosh. Oh crap. Let's see. Bank of America says buy in May and sell in July and August. Bill and Melinda Gates reportedly didn't sign a prenup with nearly 150 billion at stake. They will split their property according to a separation contract they've agreed instead. Corn hit $7 for the first time in 2013 on Supply Worry. Corn is to the moon, baby. PRPO halted. What is going on today? Dogecoin just broke Weeble. I can't buy. Ethereum is now bigger than Walmart. Wow. I'm surprised Dogecoin is available on Robinhood. All right, here we go. This is the moment of truth for futures. Are we going for a new low? Are we going for another leg down? Let's wait and see. We're so close to a new low. Look how Tesla tries to follow it. There we go. 13,627. New low, baby. We just hit a new low. The market is kind of pulling back here. It's not the best thing right now if you're going long. Yeah, eToro is now Dogecoin is now available on eToro. That's great news. Doesn't Robinhood own like 28% of Doge? I'm not sure. I don't know about that. I need to look that up. Uh, um, Has Elon tweeted anything? This is all literally started with the anticipation of Elon on Saturday Night Live. He hasn't tweeted anything. All right, we're close to 60s again. Let's take a look at other stocks really quick. GameStop, 157. Twitter is still selling off. That's what I like to see. Bring that bad boy down for me. Facebook, AMC. Wow, well, AMC's really falling like this. Where's the bounce at? So this is not looking lovely on the 4-hour. Next is $9, and after that it's 837, maybe around 850s. You'd expect it to start pushing up into earnings. Let's take a look at PRPO. It got halted, right? You said it's unhalted. It's unhalted. There we go. Halted on circuit breaker. It is back and alive, baby. Let's see. I'm actually curious to see if this drops under 6 today. I'm gonna set an alert to see just in case if this is gonna be a pump and dump. People selling the news, selling the headlines. I don't know. Viacom. Viacom wants a new low, man. Does not look solid as well. I'm still waiting for this, and I want Viacom. I think I should wait after earnings. I have an alert here at 37.50s. So there are petitions to get Amazon to start accepting Doge as a payment. Who knows? You never know. First, let's talk about a split on Amazon, and then we'll talk about accepting Dogecoin. Wow. Kind of want to buy some now. Yeah, Thomas, there was no 50-cent wall. I mean, there kind of was. At 1 in the morning, all the way till 5 in the morning, there was a 48-cent wall. And then it just blew past that, like Ethereum blowing past 3K. And then it went to 54. So it's similar to the Ethereum break above 3K. It's just like a stock, man. It'll inch up higher, it'll have some resistance, and then usually when it breaks resistance, it'll go up a couple bucks. And in this case, we're at 3,500 for Ethereum. That's nutty. That is insane. I hope this is the slingshot at $1, right? Oh, you're talking about Discovery earnings. Oh my gosh, it got halted again. This stock, did it get halted? Yes. No? This should disappear. The level 2 disappeared once it get halted. Watch, you'll see. Time to sales. Yep, it got halted. That is nuts. That is just insane. I'm gonna come up with my own rapid test, right, for COVID. Maybe my stock will go to the moon, and I'm gonna accept Dogecoin as a payment. And trust me, we're gonna go to the moon. What? Nasdaq another leg down. All right, let's take a look. How does this look on the 4-hour? I mean, look, I have my shaded gray areas right here, as you can see. They're highlighted, just representing previous dips and how we just recovered. We recovered, so this is a drop in the bucket. It's not too much right now. We're not selling off too aggressively. Talk about this. This is aggressiveness. This isn't really aggressive as of now. So let's see how far we pull back. But patience sometimes does pay off. I'm glad I did not hop into anything really. That's nuts. PRPO. Can you check out OCGN? This is we covered this one before too. I wasn't trading this one or naked or microvision. Microvision was literally poo poo on a stick. Let's see how microvision is doing today. Yep, pump and dump. This is almost dead. It's almost done. It's almost done for. Look at the volume drop. So not good at all. GameStop, we're back at the same levels, 150. Tesla, what are we doing? Tesla's boring. 676. Have you raised my price target on Tesla to 69.42? You know who has a 67 price target? Freaking Gordon, man. The biggest Tesla bear in history. He has a price target of 67. He's been getting humiliated, and he stays true. He stays true. Okay. Let's see. I might grab some. If it comes under. This is looking oversold on the 5. All right, there we go, Tesla. Come down, baby. Tesla's a cult, man. Tesla has some. It's a cult. It's a cult as well. You know how we always talk about the AMC, GameStop, whole meme stock cult crap. Tesla is the same thing. Anything you say on Twitter that brings the other perspective, the negative side, you get wrecked on there. You get destroyed. So it's a cult as well. It's a big echo chamber too. Gary Black, I brought this guy up before. If you don't follow him on Twitter, follow him. He has amazing insight. He'll tell you both sides of the story. He's huge. He's a huge Tesla bull, but he's not blind. He'll tell you what's up. He tweeted yesterday. Someone tweeted at him. They said, friendly reminder that Gary Black is not an engineer, and so his understanding of technology should be taken with a grain of salt. He replied, LOL, same thing Manny said last year when I warned Tesla battery would be a bust. Um, and he said, it's sad to see that fellow Tesla bulls feel the need to vilify whenever one offers anything constructive, but it's a great way to build an echo chamber, and I agree. I love Tesla. I'm a huge Tesla bull. At the end of the day, baby, I don't care, you know? If something comes out negative, I'm not gonna try to turn it and twist it into a positive. I'll try to look at the positive in things, but for the most part, if it's something bad, you know, I'll be real. So Uber rival Bolt launches car sharing service in Europe. Oh, there's a lot of those car sharing whatever services here in LA too. Tesla taps Spring Power International for batteries. That is not good news. Oh my God, Tesla taps tiny startups tech to build cheaper, cleaner batteries. What is going on? Up 69% today. Looks like the market's gonna sell off this month. That's what they say, right? That's what they say. I'm in it to make money, not join these cults. Exactly, man. These people are gonna pay my bills. I didn't think so. Dogecoin 56, Ethereum 3. Oh wow, 3,400. This is a nasty sell-off. They're selling the headlines, baby. They're selling this headline. They're selling this headline. Wait a minute. 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 Oh my gosh, we're so close to the price we hit last time, guys. Double bottom here at 663. Double bottom incoming at 663. It might get bloody. It might get ugly. Ah, come on, Tesla. Come down to me. Come down to me. I want you cheap. Dogecoin 55, 56. VIX. The VIX is moving. That is not good. The VIX is above. It's at $20, guys. It's at 20 bucks. Oh my gosh, this is not good. The fear index. Wow, these calls are printing. These guys who bought June, July. I don't know. Are they printing already? Those June, July ones, guys? Who knows more about options here? Because I'm not the biggest options like wizard out there. But Since I mean, it's next month, right? June, July. Are those 25? I think 25 or 30. There was a huge open interest, like 200K on those 25 VIX calls. And those were brilliant freaking calls, man. PRPO will go to 12. Yeah, GameStop should be pulling back too. 155.90s. Neo's probably getting way down by Tesla. Yeah, poor Neo, man. Neo has an event on Thursday too. Neo Norway. So Neo's under 40 now. I think Tesla will find some support right around 620, 650s. I mean, the average analyst price target for Tesla is literally 645. So 650s doesn't seem like a bad price. MNM, MNMD freaking out. The psychedelic stock, right? Yes, sir. A new age of medicine. I don't know how I feel about this company. I feel like this goes back to my saying, like I said yesterday. I feel like I'd have to try psychedelics first before I really want to believe in something, you know? That's not to say I don't believe in the healing part of it, but I feel like I'd be more sold on it. But I wouldn't touch psychedelics. That's just me though. Coinbase is pooping itself. Guess who bought Coinbase yesterday, Kathy? It seems like everything she buys, it tanks. Everything Kathy Wood buys, it's way too early. They buy a lot. Yesterday, of course, they bought more Twitter. I knew it. They're buying Twitter. It's very cheap. Twitter's very oversold right now. Let's take a look at Twitter. It's pulling back. So overall market's pulling back. So what can you expect? So from the looks of it right now, it seems like we're going. I'm gonna get my $50 on Twitter. That's why I only have 15 shares, in which we are up $15. But we're really hoping to size in bigger around $50. So um Tesla. Yeah, that Coinbase drop, man. Let's go back to that. Oof. Oof. That's not good. Price target for 315 from 285. Okay. Is this the new low all time? Yeah. 278. I mean, you could kind of almost clearly see the a descending triangle here. I think they got faked out yesterday. Or like, okay, it's gonna recover. It's gonna go back above 300. Maybe 320, 330. No, the market is literally bringing everything down right now. All right, we're seeing that bounce on AMC. Should we go for a day trade on this bad boy? Because it does look oversold to me. Coinbase is a buy at 250s. I'd say that's a good price target at 250s. You're going with the half-dollar marks. I respect that. I like that. Me like that. Tesla. Alrighty, 667. I think coin will get down to 250 for rebounds personally. I mean, you have to watch the overall market. That I think that'll weigh in more of an effect than the price support levels, technicals, you know? So watch both. Watch both. Like I said in yesterday's video, this week is probably going to set the tone, and we're already off to not the best start on the week. So let's wait. Put on an article profiling a guy who cured his PCs using DMT therapy setting after he saw. Oh, wow. Yeah, though that's a unfortunate extreme case, and I feel like if I was in that position too, I'd probably lean towards that too, honestly. That'll give me more of an incentive. I've been waiting for 250 ever since Ralph said it wouldn't. I said Coinbase would not drop to 250. I don't remember that. I mean, ever since I got clapped on Coinbase IPO. Damn it. I should have just waited. I mean, NASDAQ, here we go. Another leg down. Is the market going to continue on to bleed? Is it going to be one of those days where we just sell off? It's already 25 minutes into the market open. Give me that direction. Oof, new low. Oh, yeah, stage two. This brings me back to my penny stock days. You'd always wait for the phase, the stage two, and this new practice and all this new contract, new award, new contract, new patent, all this stuff. Yeah, the VIX, Bloomberg tweeted the VIX is above 20, 2036. Wow. The fear is coming. The fear is here and is here to stay. Neo at 3770s. These are discounts, man. User reports indicate Robinhood is having problems. Oh my God, Robinhood is down with Dogecoin sitting at 57, Ethereum sitting at 34.90s. There is some problems on here according to Bloomberg. Robinhood is taking a poop again when Dogecoin is going to the moon. Vlad, you suck. It's funny how it's every time that something is really trending. I mean, why would they halt it? If you guys are right that they say they own 20% Dogecoin, why would they do this to themselves? When the IPO dropped, the media's target was 250. You said no effing way. And Paul, that's true, man. I was like, there's no way. And here I am buying at 430, buying Coinbase at 430. I was in the green too. And then out of nowhere, the music stopped playing. The rug was pulled. And never since then have we seen a bounce on Coinbase that aggressive. So, oh man, you love to see it. You live and you learn. Day trading it now. I can't wait. Jay, what are you day trading? Let me hear it. Let me hear it. Give me the stocks you guys are watching. Nasdaq new low is a meme? Nope. New low is not a meme. We got our little banana friend over here from GameStop. Banana cat. I think I should resell this, right? Supposedly they're sold out of stock, and these banana cats were like, I think this was like 20, 30 bucks. You could probably sell it for like 100 bucks. Let's check eBay. eBay is the way to go. By the way, eBay had earnings, right? eBay stonk, or do they have earnings on Thursday? No, they already had earnings. This is the one that dumped that I kind of got disappointed I missed. PayPal is the one that has earnings, which is completely getting wrecked today, almost on 4%. Oh wow! Keep an eye on PayPal, baby. I like it. I like it. Me like the stonk. Let's see. We're under 250s. Let's create an alert on this really quick. PayPal. How about Square? Taking a hit today? 234. Another one that's going to come down and bleed. Let's set an alert on this one. Already have an alert here at 202. Interesting. All right, here we go. So the last time the low was 663. So low 660s. Tesla's about to hit a new low. There we go. Tesla is selling off. Let me see. GameStop. Cat toy. Or cat. Let's put GameStop cat. Oh, I found it. Oh my God. $170 for this. I can sell this for 170 bucks right now. Oh, that's only one on there. Take a look, my people. This guy opened it too. Oh, you can close the cat and the banana? So two people viewed this per hour. It says new. Not really. He opened it. Um, Not bad. Not bad, eh? Yeah, I still have mine sealed, so that brings up the value another 50 bucks. So 200 bucks for this bad boy. It's a piece of history, actually. I'll never sell it. I'll never sell it. I'll look back 20 years from now and be like, oh, I know where this is from. I know the history. I know the story behind this. Even this cup. And shout out to Jonathan Allen who made this cup for us. Look, AMC, Rocket, GameStop Rocket. At the bottom, he has the iconic onion because we ate an onion when GameStop hit 300. We have a coffee mug because I'm a caffeine addict. And we have bananas because I ate 5 bananas one day and I was constipated for the whole week. So that's the history of the muggers right there for you. All right, Tesla at the 666s, baby. Not the best number. We're at the horrible number. I don't like that number. And that's one of the prices I got executed last time for Tesla too. The 666s. Let's see. Let's see. Sell it on Facebook Marketplace, no fees. I've just always used eBay too. Always used eBay. Facebook Marketplace, I don't think I've ever gone on there. The banana Katie has that person's gross skin cells in the house dust all over it. That's another reason I don't want to unbox this. It's because it's yellow and it's gonna get dusty. Like Jamer. Look at Jamer's ass. It's already kind of black. So Jamer's value went down a little bit. Um. Alrighty, we hit a new low on here. AMC is still dipping. What are you doing? LSD is the only it's only psychological. Did you guys hear about that CEO who did LSD at his job? Who did LSD in the office and got fired? Like, come on, bro. Like, are you like like what were you thinking? He got sacked. They told him, get out of here, man. LSD. Can you imagine going to your job and just taking LSD? And your reasoning behind it is because you thought it would enhance your performance and then open up your mind for new ideas. He was trying to go the Steve Jobs route. From what I've read, is Steve Jobs came up with Apple and LSD. So if Steve Jobs never took LSD, I don't think I don't think I'll have an iPhone. I don't think he would have a phone either. The WPF CEO would only do. Oh my God, our airlines are falling too. Oh, this is such a beautiful sell-off. Boeing, what are you doing? Boeing has earning. Oh, it had earnings last week. Yes, it did on Wednesday. So many earnings, so many. It's like you're getting confused all the time. Airlines. Oh my gosh. Notice how these are selling off more aggressive? That is nuts. Crazy market today. Finally have some action. Yesterday was boring. Boeing is literally. I want to buy Boeing right now. Should I wait? Yeah, I'm gonna wait. The daily is not looking promising. My price target was literally 200. 200. So I'm gonna honor that. I'm gonna put my hands behind my back and not try to buy this dip. Doge is back at 60, 59. It's going to 60 again. Ethereum 35. Oh my gosh. Mr. Market. Another thing I like to notice when I'm not trading is to like mentally do plays in my head. So if I were to bought the dip here, I would have probably just sold right here. See how strong the bounces are. Because last week, the bounces weren't there, man. EMA rejection was there almost literally the entire day. Towards like midday before it started reversing. But notice that pattern. Look at NASDAQ futures. Literally on its way down. No signs of a bounce. Dogecoin's about to hit 60. Here we go. AMC, how to turn diamond hands into back holders. That's one thing I mentioned before. Mr. Adam Aaron, man. He's a good salesman. He turned people wanting AMC for a squeeze into AMC diehard investors, which I do not like. But to each their own, man. If they believe in the company like that, if they don't mind investing in it and not going for the squeeze, it's your decision, your life, your choice. Who am I to tell you, you know? Did Robinhood stop allowing you to sell again? I don't know, man. I really don't know. Twitter says that Robinhood has issues right now. They don't say Dogecoin though. It just says they have issues. But you start to think, man, Dogecoin's 60 cents. Ethereum is blowing out of the water. You'd expect that. Yeah, my entire watch list, other than the SQ, is red, of course. TQs and SQs are the inverse ETFs. There we go. Look at this. SQs are rallying. We wanted to hop in SQs right around 10. We never did, though. I was scared that the market was just going to continue to go on higher. And TQs, the inverse is coming down. So. Oh, wow. 905? I wanted to buy AMC puts the other day, too. That would have been an amazing play. Usually expect the stock to go up into earnings. This is kind of shocking too, the drop this morning. I didn't expect it to drop like this. But you really can't do anything, man. You're in the hands of the overall market. This is exactly what Jordan Belfort said on his interview. People were bashing him. He said, "Man, when the market drops, when all these stocks go out the window, all these meme stocks go out the window, Dogecoin just went to 60 again." So you gotta be careful. He just said know what you're doing. Dogecoin 60 again. My only green is lumber. Even the price of lumber, the lumber rally literally added like 40K or 30,000 to a new home. That's freaking nuts. Even corn I believe just hit a new high. What's the other commodity that just went bonkers? Someone remind me. What's the other one? No, it's not gonna be toilet paper. Someone on Twitter said, "Thank God for Robinhood, the bed, and stop paper hands from." Oh, that has some truth to it. That does have some truth to it. And I start to think, did they stop selling just so Dogecoin could hit $1? Here we go. Market watch. Dogecoin is having a moment as prices breach 50 cents ahead of Elon Musk's Saturday Night Live debut. Wow, I think that's where the majority of hype is coming from. And not just that, that adds to the momentum. That just adds more fire. All the FOMO people, that's crazy. That's nuts. This is historic. Copper, yes. Thank you, Nello. Copper's the other one. Copper was the one that I think last Wednesday it went bonkers too. Copper. My boy from Bulgaria about Doge. Oil, people aren't peeping oil. It's about to get expensive. Oil's what, 60 something a barrel? 64, 62. Oh, I just looked it up. Could 18 hours ago, could oil prices hit $80 a barrel? I don't know. Let's find out. Let's see. Um, let's just Google corn. Let's see what comes up. Corn. How to grow corn. Corn tortilla prices are increasing in Mexico. Here's what Americans can expect. Yeah, corn is nuts. The price of corn flew through the roof. Um, there was a report about a possible gas shortage this summer, so oil may not be a bad play. You guys remember they delisted the gas ETFs? UGAS and DGAS were inverse ETFs, just like SQs and TQs, but they delisted them. Corn prices. Corn prices rising more than 30%. Oh, please don't spam. Please don't spam. I just sold, dumped some of my Neo for Doge. All right, here we go. Futures, another leg down, man. That was a weak bounce. Usually you'd expect a stronger bounce before another leg down, but we haven't seen that. So let's see if we see an aggressive bounce before another leg down, or is this just the bottom and we recover and hit new highs? I don't know, man. Doge is ripping. Yeah, we're at 60. Can Tesla stay above the 13 EMA? Not really, man. As of now, futures are leading us on the way down. It's kind of struggling, fighting here on the 1, on the 5. We're going to be looking oversold. Yes, it's sitting at 61. So guys, look, we're literally double bottom at this point. Crucial level. This is literally just hysteria on its way down. People paper handing, people's panicking, selling headlines. They see the market's coming down. They see Doge at 60 cents. They see Ethereum hitting new highs. And it's a lot of uncertainty. Oh, Ben, it wasn't you. It was another guy spamming. Safe Moon is legit, I think. Surprised I am, but hey, time to go buy a little bit, see what happens. Yeah, Doge is getting hit with an audit, man. All right, there we go. Robinhood says experiencing issues with crypto trading, man. Robinhood is experiencing issues with crypto trading. This guy is trying to buy on Twitter, and look at this. He's trying to buy Dogecoin. Look, error. Something went wrong. Please try again. So, yep. Looks like Robinhood cut some of that demand. Brings me back to those GameStop days back in January. Dogecoin army brought down Robinhood again. Robinhood said, yeah. Dogecoin broke Robinhood. All right. Today is garbage. I'm all cash right now. Unless something else happens, I'm sidelined today. Same thing. I've been sidelined for quite some time too. I've just been very skeptical of the market. So, and the market new low. Look at Tesla. Ugly sell off. Let's pull up market visuals, market watch. Little heat map. Oh, that hurts my soul. Not really, actually. I've been wanting discounts. GameStop bounced off 151. AMC bounced off 905. Tesla says nope, we're selling off. New lows, guys. Tesla literally shot up to above 700 and came back down in 2 days. Oh, wow. What a day trade dream. Yeah, you don't know how bad I want to catch these dips, but just like we did last week, man, I got clapped. Why? Because the market kept on selling off. So I'm gonna I want to day trade Tesla, man. Look, it's gonna go for new low, hitting lows as we speak. You don't know how bad I want to buy Tesla here. I'm literally getting it better than I did before. I have no position in Tesla. I'm buying Tesla at 599. Yep, we're coming down. Do a YOLO 30K to WPF. WPF was green yesterday. We have 2 shares on Thinkorswim, but we have on Webull like 30 something shares. So maybe a little under 40 shares. That's nuts. All right, Dogecoin is slightly struggling, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of see this resistance here at 60 cents. We're kind of struggling. So that's not even a YOLO, just a guaranteed way to become a billionaire. Oh my God. I love all you guys. You guys are funny. Let's take a look at our good friend Jim Raymer on CNBC. What is Kramer saying? Is he going crazy because the market's pulling back and he's holding bags on Amazon? This looks like Melinda Gates.
A minority of their people to Florida because they want to move there for lifestyle reasons, and they're in something like wealth management or banking that might lend itself to being there.
All right, boring. Let's mute this really quick. Oh yeah, guys, Bitcoin is pulling back too. When I went to sleep yesterday, Bitcoin was down. And Tesla keeps on selling off. Wow. Come on, CNBC. Let me hear it. Let me hear it. I'm a, I'm a financial advisor. You're on my plays. Yeah, Bill and Melinda are done. Yesterday, guys, even CNBC had like a quick disclaimer. before they went to commercial that said that Jim Cramer's thoughts or whatever our opinions or they hinted that they were getting heat because of Kramer. I forgot exactly what it said.
You got any read on how banks are feeling about that right now?
Well, one thing I'm hearing just on the personal side from the people in.
Oh, boring, man. So let's see what is green today. Of course, Home Depot is green. Some of those safe stocks. Lumber is going through the roof. Verizon. What is this? AT&T, right? Yes. That's some telecom green. J&J, UNH, United Healthcare is green today. UPS is green. Oracle is green. LMT, what is that? Oh, Lockheed. They were talking about this stock on CNBC a while ago. P&G. Interesting, eh? All right, Tesla's bouncing again. Doge is at 56, guys. It's pulling back. It is pulling back. People are realizing this is struggling to break 60. If you do not actively trade anything, just hold and buy then. No, I want to really trade Tesla so bad, but we're seeing that bounce here already. Okay, I'll tell you what. I think it's gonna bounce here. I mean, look at last Thursday. It went from 700 down to 668. So I think it'll bounce here. That would have been a good play, man.
Taking a look at the retail recovery as Florida and the tri-state region up here near New York announced plans to lift those restrictions.
Plus, we're going to check in with Zillow founder Spencer Raskoff on the housing boom, the tax flight for real estate, and a lot more.
And the crypto craze continues.
Let's go,
with
baby.
Ether hitting another new all-time high today. We have got a big show still ahead. Don't go anywhere.
I'll leave. That's what I'm doing. Oh boy. I have some AMC shares and I'm part of a group on Facebook and they sound like some nut jobs. I like the stock and potential, but damn. I don't know what you mean by that. 100% YouTube videos today. Why the AMC sell-off is good, right? I can already see it. Why this AMC drop is the next step for the squeeze. Interesting. I really can't answer that, John. I mean, you should have a plan for it. Once Dogecoin hits 69 cents, it's going to be the meme on the internet today. All right, there we go, GameStop. So the stock should be bouncing. AMC should rip to like 950s. Right here, baby. Bouncing off 905. Happy birthday. Hepburn. Audrey Hepburn. Why is this on AMC? I don't get it. There we go. GameStop, what a recovery. We're going green on the day. All right, those airlines are not bouncing. Twitter too, 5373. Oh man. Yeah, that's the next move. AMC needs to accept Dogecoin for that's freaking ridiculous. That is nuts. Dogecoin is not a distraction. Dogecoin is running because Elon Musk is going to be on Saturday Night Live, and because crypto is going nuts. Ethereum is going nuts. That's why it's moving, not because it's a distraction. Are you kidding me? These hedges are probably laughing at people right now. I'm telling you, all this conspiracy hedges buyout, it doesn't exist. We make it up to confirm our bias. It makes me, oh man, I feel so bad for laughing, but how is MA and MasterCard slow, man? No, this is way too high still. I'm looking to get in like a 350s, man. Yeah, GameStop, what a comeback. All right, here we go. We've already bounced slightly here on Tesla and on futures for Nasdaq. The real question comes here again. Is this just another slight bounce before another leg down? Or is this where we stabilize for quite some time before a reversal or another leg down? So just patience. At least we have some sense of direction, some action, some volatility. I hate flat days. Yesterday was boring. See what good old Bloomberg is saying. Let's go on Bloomberg. Well, when I take these off, everything looks weird. At least the headaches went away with this. Nasdaq 100 tumbles 2% with tech leading stock rout. A markets wrap. Man, this would have been such a beautiful dip buy. Uh, Roberto says, "What the f is going on with what? The market? There's a lot of uncertainties, man. The market. We've already hit new highs. We've priced in a lot of the earnings for this. I mean, look at the earnings for Facebook, Amazon, Google. It's like, what more do you want in the market? It's like I don't understand that. Like we just hit new highs. Take some profits, man. You have that overall sentiment selling me, go away, come back. I think that's what it is. Concerns about inflation, interest rates. You think another leg down? I'm gonna start my trading company, back holding trading co. That's not good. You think another leg down? From the looks of it, Tesla says nope. We're going back up. I pulled the trigger at Tesla at 664. Nice, nice. You're in the green. Sue, sue. Yeah, Robinhood tweeted, "We're currently experiencing issues with crypto trading." Robinhood is trending now on Twitter. It's trending. First thing you see is Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger on it. Let's see. The EU approves the sale of dried yellow meal worm for human consumption. Oh, that's disgusting. Stocks selling off as the market often does do this before taxes are due. Lots of money owed to Uncle Sam. Nothing but good for the U.S. economy. Money will flow back into stocks. Don't worry. Sounds tasty, man. Maybe sounds like a good protein snack, you know. What do you think about Arby's? Look, I'm not making this up. I'll show you guys. Look at this. It sounds appetizing, but it doesn't look visually appealing to me. See what people are saying. This will cause another virus. I knew it. Look, a neglected protein-rich superfood. Look at this cake with worms on it. I knew it. Talk about gains, baby. We're bulking up. I sold the A80, but I'm thinking about buying back in. You're talking about PRPO, right? What did that stock do? Oh my gosh. It's gonna go red. We're going red on this. I don't think so. Still 22%. But it's aggressively selling off. People taking the profits. I mean, we look at the 4-hour. What is that? PRPO. Oh, my alert just went off on PRPO. Selling off. GameStop. Kind of flat at 158. We're going to 950s on AMC. Tesla is literally V recovering. Wow, Dogecoin just took a poop. 51. So it's coming back down to test some support at 50 cents. Look, it's selling off. Robert says I'm eating grub beetles. Beetles. Yeah, that's funny. I don't know. Robinhood caused this crash. 50. Once they tweeted out, this happened. Yeah, Robinhood says you can't buy. I don't know about sell though. Yeah, there's like a server error. I do not know. But someone showed a screenshot when they weren't able to buy. So, Raphael, good morning. Good morning, good morning. We'll go live for a couple more minutes. But what an interesting recovery. For sure on Tesla. I like that. But like I said, is this a sympathy bounce before another leg down? We'll see. Only time will tell. I can get bloody like I did last Thursday. It's a normal dip. I don't know, man. It's almost like it's a 10-cent drop. That was literally induced by the Robinhood tweet. It makes people panic. People selling the tweet, selling the headlines. The VIX will tell. Yeah, the VIX was above 20 today. That's a good point. 10-cent raise in this hour. This was literally a 10-cent drop in like what? Couple minutes? 30 minutes. You know, Robinhood getting their profits. Yeah, that's exactly what they did with Bitcoin too, right? iPhone's gonna die. So you're saying they employed market manipulate exactly. Should I sell any at double? I can't answer that, man. I cannot answer that. The question is $1 by Saturday. The real question. Do we see on Elon tweet later? I don't know. He hasn't tweeted. I'm pretty sure he's watching this having a good laugh. He's probably like, man, the influence I have is insane. Alrighty, pulling back. Hmm. Holding until Saturday Night Live. And the thing is, crypto's 24/7. I keep forgetting that. I keep thinking the crypto Dogecoin would stop trading on Friday, and then Saturday you just it's whatever's, whatever he says, whatever it pumps. But I forget it's 24/7, so it's gonna be moving as he speaks. Oh my gosh. 300 million, that's exactly the number I was looking for. 331 million in order flow this year from Citadel. Even from a Bitcoin. Yeah, I have Perry, John Perry. We can't answer that. It's really difficult. You have to have a plan. You could sell, take out your initial investment, lock in some profits, ride the rest. I don't know. I can't answer that. You have to have a plan. Love the channel, bro. Keep it up. I appreciate that, John. But like I said, I don't know what your initial plan was. Hold till Saturday, cut your loss. I don't know. You have to have a plan. Everyone's personalities are different. Everyone's more risk averse than others. So you have to adapt to that. Know where you're strong at, know where you're weak at, and just that's why everybody's plan is different, man. Everyone has different strengths and weaknesses. Yeah, it's trying to bounce off of 50 cents. I'll give it that for sure. You caught the dip on UXIN? The Carvana of China. I'm trying to buy this one under two. I think two is still a little pricey, man. I'm literally trying to be cheap and get in on 150 again. We were gonna buy this at 115, but I forgot about this stock, man. You believe that? It went from like 115 to 3 something. That would have been an amazing play. Let's go, baby. You pump for Doge? It's holding 50 cents, man. I gotta give it that. It's holding 50 cents pretty well. Even Tesla itself is holding pretty well. All right, around the 670s. Looks like the market stopped bleeding, baby. The bleeding has stopped. Is this for now? Is this temporary? There we go. Another leg up on Tesla. What a beautiful recovery. And we were thinking about buying at 658. Oh my gosh. You really can't expect stuff like this. You know, look last time we had no bounce at all. That is insane. Took a look at SPY really quick. Let's see. Oh, I have a class today. Damn. I always leave early anyways. No exam, no exam. No exam today. Your favorite class, Rob? Your favorite professor, baby? Environmental biology with Professor Cooper. What am I studying? Business administration, business admin. I want to lean more. I want to go towards the marketing side of things. You know, I like marketing. Maybe one day I'll be on GameStop. You know, be working for GameStop, pumping the stock. Not get fined by the SEC. They'll come after us. I love him saying that. Yeah, this professor. Every time we start, I'm literally probably gonna even stream it. Stream our class. He starts off by saying, "You're all gonna die. You're all gonna die." He's like, "This world is effed." I'm sure he doesn't say that, but I think that's what he's trying to say. Ben, worth buying enough Ethereum then staking the return will be decent. Again, this goes back to your strategy. Are you trying to scalp a push above 4,000 or you're trying to build a long-term portfolio? I want to get in on the dip. I'm not buying Ethereum at these highs. I don't feel safe at all. It doesn't feel right to me, you know? All we all we all we need and all we expect is the slightest feeling that interest rates are gonna go up. The music will stop playing, man. Even Bitcoin's gonna take a huge hit. Stocks are gonna take a hit. That's what we're waiting for basically now. Ethereum is more of a long term for me. There you go. If you want to build a portfolio, put in a couple bucks a week, a month. I don't know. It'll go long term. Have that long term mindset. Then by all means, go for it. I think he's actually trying to keep your egos in check. I don't know. I do not know, but what I do know is Tesla, man, it's going green, maybe. Only down 1% now. That is nuts. What a recovery. Not following Nasdaq at all. Not following at all. PayPal is moving. We're having a bounce in stonks. We're seeing that bounce. You're only mortal, someday you will die. Yeah, that's true though. No, this is my professor, guys. I was trying to log in to check my grade for the exam, which is not even there yet. But this is him. He's a YouTuber.
Well, hello. My name is Mark Cooper, and I thought I would start this semester with just giving you an introduction to who I am. So a little uncomfortable sitting in front of a camera and in front of a computer, not the typical way I teach. But I wanted to get you to know a little bit about myself. And so just to let you know, I was born and raised here in Southern California, went to a local high school and did really well. I wasn't a great student, but I got good grades. I played the game well. So right out of high school, I went to UCLA as a physics major. I don't know what the heck I was thinking. But then reason I tell you that is it was a very rough year. I was not prepared. I went to UCLA. I dropped almost all my classes the first quarter. Passed one class out of 3 on the second quarter, I think, and then dropped out the third quarter. And so school was not for me, I suspected. So I dropped out along with a couple of my friends, and we got full-time jobs. We were going to make money and work our way up. So I was out of school for about 2 years. I was actually pushing a broom hungover one morning thinking, what the heck am I doing with my life? So I ended up going back to college. And I didn't know what I wanted to do. I figured out it wasn't physics, and I figured out it probably wasn't UCLA. So I decided to go to the local community college, which was Mount Sac. So I am a Mount Sac product. There I took a bunch of classes, not necessarily the way they suggest, but I didn't know what I wanted to do. And I ran into the biology classes, which I really enjoyed and was good at. And although I had a really bad high school biology teacher that was very discouraging, told us no jobs, no money, don't do it, I found that I was good at it. So I decided to pursue it and ended up going over to Cal Poly Pomona to get a degree in zoology. And so I got my bachelor's. As I was working on my bachelor's, I was like, okay, what do you do with a zoology degree? So it's like, you work at a zoo. So I went out to the zoo and tried to figure out how do you get a job? And I actually did. I was a full-time keeper at the LA Zoo. I worked there for 9 years, and I was actually in the bird show. I did bird shows. And so as I was working there, I was thinking about trying to move up and decided to go back to school. And being local, and at that time being married and having a house, I was looking at the local colleges and went back to Cal Poly to get my degree in biology and community ecology. And it's going to be a surprise, but yes, I worked on birds. And so as I was a graduate student,
It's a long video.
Poly, I got the
Anyway. Alrighty, looks like the NASDAQ wants a new low, man. We're gonna end it here. If you guys did enjoy this, make sure you slap that like button. But I'll leave you with the NASDAQ literally teetering off the cliff right now, guys. We had that beautiful bounce here in Tesla, but NASDAQ did not have it. We're not seeing that bounce yet. I'm gonna set my alert just in case on both NASDAQ and Tesla. So I'll leave you guys with that, and I'm gonna be back power hour. Yes, power hour. So see what GameStop's at really quick. 158, AMC 933. Pretty good, pretty good. Holding pretty well. All right. We'll be back power hour. I'll see you guys in a couple hours. Have an amazing rest of your morning. Peace out.